Here's the easiest way to show YouTube live subscriber count on your OBS. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and open your YouTube channel and then copy the YouTube channel link. Now you have to open this website, socialcounts.org/YouTube live subscriber count. Here in this box, paste your YouTube channel link or URL and just click on search. And here select the YouTube channel. Close the ad. And here is your YouTube channel live subscriber count. Now just copy this link of this web page and then go back to your OBS, select a source, select a scene, and under source click on this plus icon, select browser source and giving here live subscriber count and pasting the website link in this box, clicking on OK, and we can see I've successfully added the live subscriber count. Now if you want to crop it, hold down the Alt or Option key and you can just go ahead and simply crop this just like this. Once you're happy, you can just go ahead and reposition it. You can also resize this. And that's how you can actually add YouTube live subscriber count to OBS.